Hi, my name is Bobby Cabano, 36 years old, but call me Bob for short. My previous work experience for 6 years as a warehouse worker by segregating banana product, loading and unloading of boxes in the warehouse and container van, operating pallet jack for transferring goods within storage area, receiving and checking banana agricultural material and fertilizer upon delivery. And I work as a security guard in one of the high-end hotel by conducting routine inspection and monitoring my area of responsibility, checking identification and authorization of visitors and staff entering my premises, and random lab inspection. In 4 years, I also assigned for security guard, customer service assistance in the hospital, ensuring the safety of patient, watcher, visitor, and staff, guiding their respective destination inside the hospital. And now, almost 2 years, I work as a tea boy or office boy, giving the request coffee or tea for my employer and their office staff. And once again, it's Bobby Cabano. Thank you. Have a nice day and goodbye.